Game changer alert, the 360 degrees foldable tablet stand that's flexier than yoga and sturdier than your ex's excuses. Tired of your tablet stand wobbling like a Jenga tower on its last block? Meet the SAMHOUSING Adjustable Tablet Stand, the ultimate hands-free solution for bed, desk, or anywhere your tech-loving heart desires. With its 4-joint, 360 degrees rotatable design, this stand bends, twists, and holds your device like a pro. Whether you're binge-watching in bed, FaceTiming in the kitchen, or gaming on the couch, this stand adapts to your every move. Say goodbye to neck cramps and hello to ergonomic bliss. What makes this stand the MVP of tablet holders? Its aluminum alloy build is tougher than your morning coffee, supporting devices up to 12.9 inches and 1,500 grams without breaking a sweat. Unlike flimsy plastic stands, this one stays rock solid, even when you're tapping, swiping, or drawing. Plus, it's universally compatible with iPads, iPhones, Nintendo Switch, Kindle, and more. No more buying separate stands for each device, this one does it all. Let's talk convenience. The no-tools installation means you can clip it to your headboard, desk, or kitchen cabinet in seconds. Its foldable design makes it portable, so you can take it from your bedroom to your office without breaking a sweat. And with a lifetime warranty, SAMHOUSING stands by their product like a best friend who's got your back. Why settle for less when you can have the best? This stand isn't just a gadget, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It saves you time by eliminating the need to prop up your device with pillows or books. It saves you money by replacing multiple stands with one versatile solution. And with its sleek black finish, it looks as good as it performs. Whether you're working, gaming, or streaming, this stand is your ultimate tech sidekick. Still on the fence? Here's the kicker. Customers rave about its sturdiness, flexibility, and value for money. While some stands wobble or break, this one holds up like a champ. It's tech-tested, user-approved, and worth every penny. So, what are you waiting for? Grab the SAMHOUSING Tablet Stand today and experience the freedom of hands-free tech like never before.